Good morning, good morning, good morning, dear kids. How are you? How are you? How are you, dear kids? Yes, very chill morning to you all, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Monday and I am going to teach you English subject. Yes, I hope you all are done your paper well. Yes. As it is today, we are going to start our academic part. Yes? Okay. Now, today we are going to learn on new topic, that is this and that. Now, what is this? THIS. This. What is the meaning of this and what is the meaning of that? Okay. THAT, that. Okay, so I am going to explain on this topic today. So listen it very carefully. Yes? Okay. Yes. Now, what is the meaning of this that we will see today? Look at here, beta. This is used for an object or a person nearby you. Okay. For example, now Miss is holding this pen. This is near to me. Okay. So we will use this because this pen is near to me. Miss के पास है ये पेन है ना. So जब भी हम कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास होता है, that time we will use THIS, this. This is my pen. Okay. ये कहाँ है? मिस के पास है. Okay. So that time we will use this. THIS, this. This is my pen. Okay, dear kids. Now, this pencil is far away from me. ये जो है मिस से दूर है. Okay. In that case, we will use that. Okay. That is a pencil. Okay. Dear kids, are you understood? जो ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे दूर रहता है वहाँ पर आप that लगाओगे और जो ऑब्जेक्ट पास में है वो वहाँ पर आप क्या लगाओगे? This. Okay. This जो है पास वाले चीज में हम this लगाएंगे और दूर वाली चीजों में हम that लगाएंगे. Okay, dear kids? Yes, again one more example Miss is going to give you. Now Miss is holding a doll. Okay बेटा, मिस के पास डॉल है ना? मिस के पास है ये डॉल, है ना? डॉल कहाँ है? मिस के पास. तो आप क्या लगाओगे यहाँ पर? This. This is a doll. This is a doll. Okay? क्योंकि ये मिस के पास है. Okay? Yes, dear kids. Now Miss is holding a book. Miss जो है मिस के पास एक बुक है ना? मिस के पास है. तो what you will insert बेटा? This. This is a book. Okay? क्योंकि ये मिस के पास है. Okay, dear kids? I think understood how we will insert this. Spelling of THIS, this. Okay? Yes, now look at here, dear kids. Fan is far away from us. So, what you will write there? That is a fan. Okay? That is a fan. Okay, dear kids? क्योंकि फैन जो है दूर है. ओके? जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट दूर रहता है वहाँ पे आप क्या लगाओगे? That is a fan. Okay, dear kids? Now look at this ball. This ball is far away from the doll. Okay? So अभी आप क्या लगाओगे यहाँ पर? That. दैट इज ए बॉल. ओके, क्योंकि बेटा ये डॉल से दूर है ना, फार अवे फ्रॉम द डॉल. सो वी विल राइट हियर दैट. ओके, दैट मीन्स दूर वाली चीज जब हम देखते हैं वहां पर हम क्या लगाएंगे, दैट. दैट इज ए बॉल. ओके डियर किड्स, नाउ लुक एट योर बुक केयरफुली बेटा. टेक आउट पेज नंबर 9393. Yes dear kids, here some pictures are given here. I think you will understand by seeing the pictures. Okay, now at the very first this girl is holding one pencil. देखिए ये गर्ल के पास एक पेंसिल है. पास वाली चीजों में हम क्या लगाएंगे बच्चों, दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज माई पेंसिल. ओके, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, दिस इज माई पेंसिल. ओके, देन देखिए अब लुक एट दिस पिक्चर केयरफुली. ये जो है घर जो है ये बॉय से बहुत दूर है. ओके, सो इन दिस केस वी विल इंसर्ट दैट, THAT दैट. अब हम क्या लगाएंगे यहाँ पे, दैट, THAT दैट इज माई हाउस. ओके, क्योंकि ये घर जो है ये बॉय से बहुत दूर है. सो वहां पर हम क्या लगाएंगे बेटा, दैट. ओके, नाउ लुक एट दिस बॉय, ही इज स्टैंडिंग नियर द कार. वो कार के पास खड़ा है. यस, सो दिस इज ए स्पोर्ट्स कार. तो ये क्या बोल रहा है, दिस इज ए स्पोर्ट्स कार, क्योंकि वो कार उसके पास है. सो हम क्या लगाएंगे यहाँ पर, दिस. ओके, देन लुक एट दिस गर्ल एंड द बस. देखिए कितने डिस्टेंस है दोनों में. सो ये केस में हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, दैट इज ए बस. बस जो है बहुत दूर है तो हम क्या लगाएंगे वहां पे, दैट. ओके, now we will read this sentence beta. This is a pencil, that is my house, this is a SPORTS sports car. Okay, yes, now one more picture is there. This is a flag. Look at this picture. This girl is holding a flag. है ना, ये लड़की के पास फ्लैग पकड़े है तो इनके पास है तो हम क्या लगाएंगे यहाँ पर, दिस. ओके, THIS दिस. ओके डियर किड्स, नाउ दैट इज एन एरोप्लेन. एरोप्लेन ये लड़के से बहुत दूर है ना बच्चों, तो हम यहाँ पर क्या लगाएंगे, दैट. दैट इज एन एरोप्लेन. ओके, now take out page number 9494 dear kids. Okay, so I think you had understood what is the meaning of this and that. Now we will complete this page. Fill in the blanks with these or THAT that. Okay, yes, look at this girl beta. He is near to this hand. Okay, so what we will write here, this, THIS, this we will write here. Okay, this is a woman. Okay, who is she, she is a woman. She is near to this hand. Okay, now look at this river, this is very far. Okay, so we will write that. That is a river, THAT, that. That is a river. Okay, because this is far. Okay, again look at this child, this is near to this hand. Okay, so we will write here this, THIS, this is a child. Yes, so you have to insert this here, this is a child. Now Look at this teacher. She is also near to this hand. So again we will insert here THIS. This is a teacher. Okay. Now look at this hand, beta. This is far. This, yes, the school is far. Okay. So we will write here that. That is my school. THAT. That is my school, because this is far away. Yes, far, दूर है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? That. हमेशा ये चीज़ याद रखना बेटा, पास वाली चीज़ों में this लगती है और दूर वाली चीज़ों में that लगती है. ओके डियर किड्स. So look at this hand very carefully. Again, this hand is far away from this, away from the mother. Okay, so here we will write that. THAT. That is my mother. Okay. Now take out page number 9595, dear kids. So what you have to do is write the correct word on, yes, what you have to do is write the correct word on the given lines. Okay, here these sentences are already given here, just you have to look at the picture and write the name. Okay, so this boy is holding a net. This is a net. N-E-T. Net. Okay. Now look at this picture carefully, beta. This is far. So that is a garden. Now we will write here spelling of GARDEN. Garden. Okay. Now look at this boy. He is near to this dog. So this is my dog. D-O-G. Dog. Now look at this tree. So what you are going to write here? That is a tree. Which picture is this? T-R-E-E. Tree. That is a tree. Okay. Now tell me which object is this? Bus. So what you will write here? This is a bus. B-U-S. Bus. At last, what you write here, beta? What is this? Look at this picture. This is a church. That is a church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. Okay? Yes, like this way you have to complete this page, beta. Okay, dear kids? Yes, I hope you had understood how to insert this and that. Okay. So complete it, beta, and send it to me. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you.